Guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of Allah. Today, our topic word is who, commonly spoken in English language to ask queries and questions. Let us make a practice with the word who as such. Who is at the balcony? Who is at the balcony? Possible answer may be girls are at the balcony, same as children are at the balcony. Next sentence you can see here on the whiteboard. Who is downstairs? Supervisors are downstairs, and you can also say who is downstairs? Gentlemen are downstairs. Next sentence is who is at the second floor? Who is at the second floor? Guests are at the second floor. Number next is who is at the moon? A spacecraft is at the moon. Who is in the meeting hall? Managers are in the hall room. And next one is who is upstairs? Directors are upstairs. Same as who is in the cupboard? A mice is in the cupboard. Who is in the street? A hawker is in the street. And next sentence is who is with her? Her mother is with her. Who is with him? His younger son is with him. Who is with you? My brother is with me. Who is in the cage? A lion is in the cage. So guys and girls, stay smart and cool. This way you can make a lot of practice in speaking, and by making a practice you will be able to speak a very good English. See you next time. Goodbye.